Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. DeFi Aussie actually asked for a quick video on how to buy Baby Trump. If you want to get onto the website, here we are at trumpsbaby.com. You have the address in here. If you want to get into the TG, that'll be as well. It's a 39FC is the same address that I have in my wallet. If you look over here, Baby Trump is their socials. At Baby Trump BSC underscore is where you want to be, and they have the information that you can get there as well. Their TG is over here, Baby Trump. If you want to get it there, I'll include all these links as well. What you want to do is, with this, you go to PancakeSwap.finance, paste in the contract address that you have here. So you copy this contract address, go in here, you click on this. This will have cake. I've already got the Baby Trump in here, so you click on this one. Paste in the address. It'll say, yeah, do you want to do this as a new token as a user? It's a DeFi project. You got to paste in that token and say, yes, I'll accept the risk to that. So you get Baby Trump in here. Connect your wallet up. Put in your buy that you want to do. Say 1 BNB. Oh, geez. Sorry about that, folks. 1 BNB. And then you get your 42,694 Baby Trump right now. It's been pumping a little bit, but if you want to get in, we want to get in now because the green candles keep going up. Connect your wallet, buy it, and there you are. You have the transaction going forward. Gas is relatively cheap on BSC. This is how you actually have to go forward on it. So PancakeSwap.finance, I'll have the link as well. We'll also have the link to the Baby Trump or trumpsbaby.com, the website, and we also have the socials as well, and the TG link that we'll have it in for Baby Trump as well, which is the TG, which is here, t.me/Baby Trump Global. This is the official Baby Trump channel, so you want to make sure you're actually on the officials, getting the contract address from Rose in here or from their official website as well. So you don't want to get the wrong contract address and have any issues getting the wrong token or getting your wallet drained. So make sure you actually follow forward on this and you don't actually get any nefarious contract addresses. Definitely don't want you to get to buy the wrong token. Anyways, hopefully this helps. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.